Of April 2024, an extraordinary celestial event will take place. We are about to encounter a solar eclipse, but it's not just any solar eclipse. It is an extremely rare total solar eclipse that's linked to some unsettling predictions for the 2024 elections, with implications for both the US and Israel, and some believe it could even signal the end times. In today's video, I'll break down the real meaning behind this solar eclipse and tell you what it actually signifies. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss the shocking revelation at the end of this video. In various parts of the Bible, there are connections drawn between end-time events and heavenly phenomena. There are many verses mentioning the sun, moon, stars, and perhaps even eclipses in relation to prophecies about the end times. For instance, in Luke chapter 21 verse 25, Jesus speaks of signs in the sun, moon, and stars when discussing the timing of the end times. As a result, when individuals observe uncommon or rare astronomical events, it often leads them to ponder whether the end times might be drawing near. To truly understand the meaning behind a sign like a solar or a lunar eclipse, it's important to reflect on historic global happenings and carefully analyze the circumstances. And by piecing together these elements, we can discern whether there is a genuine warning or if it's part of a larger biblical prophecy unfolding. As Ecclesiastes chapter 1 verse 9 wisely states, "What has been will be again. What has been done will be done again. There is nothing new under the sun." Put simply, it means that history tends to repeat itself. And here's where things get shocking. God's character remains constant, unchanging from yesterday to today and tomorrow. This means that God continues to communicate as he always has and addresses sin and nations as he always did. Throughout history and the Bible, recurring patterns emerge, particularly regarding a nation's idolatry and sin, which God consistently confronts. Every significant prophet in the Bible who addressed Israel's idolatry and sin was accompanied by specific signs and warnings indicating what would follow. Reflecting on Revelation chapter 6, we encounter the symbolism of the four horsemen, depicting God's judgment upon nations. First comes a figure representing conquest or leadership, leading to division and global unrest. Then follows war, stirring up conflict and disrupting peace. Subsequently, famine ensues, bringing economic hardship and agricultural struggles. Finally, death arrives, spreading plague and disease. While these events unfold on a global scale, they also echo recurring patterns seen throughout history in the Bible. These signs often emerge in response to a nation's sins and idolatries, illustrating the cyclical nature of